All my love is pouring over my love, and all this time is just wasted on times of greed and guilt for 1,000 odd sins. Where does it stop? Tell me, where do I begin? So far now, where my life began, so far down from where it began again. And all this time has served to win me nothing more than a shiny-eyed illusion, life beyond the door. I see you now, every now and then I was a fool, and now I am again. Then I was a fool for hanging on too long. Now I am a fool just for writing you this song. But I can't escape the hatred, I can't escape the pain. Never since I felt like this, the weather always rains. And I can only be now whatever God intends. But I wish sometimes with all my might to rip it from his hands and to make my fate my very own, to make these means my end, to rip apart this broken heart, make it mine again. Maybe then I won't be haunted by the visions of your love, just illusions and delusions, just like it always was. And I curse the day I met you, I curse the day you left, I curse the day you fucked around, and last I curse myself for not believing what I saw in you. From the pedestal you fell, I thought you were an angel once, now I hope you burn in hell. But I can't escape the hatred, I can't escape the pain, and ever since I felt like this, weather always rains, weather always rains, never cools down, it just rains. All my love is pouring over my love, and all this time is just wasted time.